Alan learn English.
爱学习的火星人 Alan.
The Predictable Parrot and the Unpredictable Unicorn. In a vibrant jungle, a parrot named Polly lived a predictable life, repeating the same words every day.
Squawk. Life is so predictable, so boring.
Suddenly, a unicorn named Una arrived, his life full of unpredictable adventures.
Predictable? Oh, Polly, life's unpredictability is what gives it flavor.
Polly was puzzled. She had never thought of life this way.
But, isn't unpredictability scary?
Una laughed, his eyes twinkling with wisdom.
Scary? Sometimes. But it's also exciting, surprising, and full of joy. That's the flavor of life, Polly.
Polly pondered Una's words. For the first time, she felt a spark of excitement about the unpredictability of life.
You're right, Una. Life without flavor would cease to be life. I'm ready for some unpredictability.
And so Polly learned to embrace the unpredictable, adding a dash of flavor to her once predictable life.